Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
This is the speaking test level 1, organized by Impel IT, taking place on 8 February 2025. The candidate is Kamrul Hussain and the examiner is Imam Hussain. In this level, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your family. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Kamrul Hussain.
What should I call you?
You can call me Hussain.
Okay, Hussain. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Okay. What's your birthday?
My birthday is 19 July.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Okay, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Mama.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Asma.
Okay, do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents.
Okay, who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Kiran.
Okay, tell 3 lines about this picture.
It is a whiteboard. The color of whiteboard is white.
Hmm.
It is green.
Okay, excellent job. Please everyone.